Welcome to Chit Chats Tutorials. Today we're going to go over how to get your shipments to us when you don't live near a Chit Chats location. Chit Chats has 9 branches, 16 drop spots across Canada in BC, Alberta, Quebec, Ontario, and the Atlantic regions. If you're unable to visit a branch or a drop spot, you can easily schedule a pickup to have packages picked up directly from your location. Watch our tutorial to learn how to schedule pickups from your Chit Chats account. If you're unable to schedule a pickup, a great alternative is to mail in your shipments. We know sellers live all across Canada, and if you're in a remote area or live in Manitoba or Saskatchewan, you can still save money. Mailing in your consolidated shipments can save you up to 74% with our fully tracked, low-cost postage options compared to national carriers. How does it work? When you create your Chit Chats account, select the region of the branch you want to mail your shipments to. Then buy and print postage for your individual shipments and consolidate them into a larger box. Be sure to print a batch label for any consolidated shipments. Once your shipments are ready, choose a local courier or carrier of your choice to mail in your consolidated shipments to the closest Chit Chats branch. Consolidated shipments can be mailed into one of our hub branches. For the BC region, mail into our Richmond branch. For Alberta, our Calgary branch. For the Ontario region, our Pickering branch. For the Quebec region, Montreal branch. And for the Atlantic region, mail-ins are accepted at the UPS store number 465, our drop spot in Halifax. Find all the addresses on our locations page. And if you live in an area with no Chit Chats, just choose from one of the hubs listed that's closest to you. Just remember when you create your account to select the corresponding region. For example, if you live in Saskatchewan, you can mail into the Calgary branch. Make sure to select the Alberta region. Or if you live in Manitoba and you want to mail into our Pickering branch, select the Ontario region. You can also update your region in your account settings. Shipping, then the Chit Chats region. Our mailing clients save significantly by using Chit Chats. Let's take a look at a case study of one of our clients who mails in their packages once a week. This client lives about a 3-hour drive from a branch. On average, they receive roughly 15 orders a week and will mail them to a branch weekly. Our fully tracked, low-cost rates help them reduce the shipping costs for their shipments. They're able to save an average of $8 per package. The orders get delivered to their US customers on average within 5 business days, and this includes the time of mailing in their shipments to a Chit Chats branch, compared to national carriers that could take up to 8 business days. With an average of $8 in savings per order, and with 15 orders per week, the savings can add up quickly. In a month, they save $480, and if we were to average that to a year, that's over $5,500 in savings. This is why sellers across Canada choose Chit Chats as their shipping alternative to help transform their business. To learn more, visit support.chitchats.com or contact our client support team directly at support@chitchats.com.